Next example, seventh one. How many non-terminals are there? There are three non-terminals are there. Yes, A and B. We need to find out the follows of each and every variable. Now by default we know that S is following the dollar, star symbol always follows the dollar, including that any other follows for the capital A, any other follows for the capital S. In previous example we had practiced that star symbols are following only dollar, but in this example star symbol also follows the other characters in other productions. Now when you come to this A production, S also follows the small b. In the third production, S also follows the small c. Now we need to collect each and every non-terminals which are followed by the any grammar symbol. Now star symbol follows the dollar by default, as well it is following the small b and small c also. Is there any capital S except that these three places? We don't have. We have in here two places. So these are the follow set for the capital S. Now follows of capital A. How many places capital A is there? We need to identify. In only one place capital A is there. Now what is that production? The production is a S derive A B in A B. Okay. In that A is following the capital B. So we need to replace the capital B with their production. Okay. I'm replacing with their production. After replacing capital A, that capital A is following the which character? Only C character. So the follows of A will become only C. So we should write here C only. C will become a follows of capital A. Now follows of capital B. In how many places capital B is there? So what is the production? Production is S derive. In only one production B is there. The production is a S derive A B. In this production B is there. Now what are the follows of capital B? So as per this point we already discussed this point. If any grammar symbol is last place or least place in the production, then their follows of will become a follows of that production variable. Now the follows of A will become a follows of yes. All follows of the S will comes to the capital B. Their follows, the capital B follows will become a their production variable follows. How many follows are there for the capital S? 3 are there. All 3 will come under the capital B. All 3 will come. Okay, we need to write here dollar comma B comma C. If you want to verify, you replace and verify. Replace and one replacement I will do, and you can cross verify. I want to verify for the B production, A production, small b, capital S and small b. Replace S by the AB, B, A, B, B. Now after you replace the S by AB, because we can able to replace now, because AB is a production of S only, so we can able to replace. After you replacing B following a small b, as well it can also true for dollar as well as a C. Okay, no need to verify cross all replacement, just you blindly remember this point. Okay. Then next so these are the grammar symbols for this production, and all follows are identified. The next example is the 8th one. Eighth example. So how many grammar symbols are there? First we need to collect each and every one. How many grammar symbols are there? S is there, A is there, B and C. These are the grammar symbols. Now we need to find out the follows for each and every one. And the first one is a star symbol follows will become only dollar initially. Dollar is a one collection. Then is there any S in other places? We need to find out. S in other places we don't have in any other production, so only one follow is there for the star symbol dollar. Then find out the follows for the capital A. So capital A follows will become, we need to find out the all places where the A is available in all productions. Only in one place capital A is there. Now in this production A is following C. Now we need to replace with the C production. So collect that production once. A, C, B. This is a production. Replace C by with the productions. Replace C by first. How many productions are there for the C? Two productions are there. One is the H, another one is the epsilon. So replace by the H, then B. Okay. Now after you replace the first production, C follow will become H only. So H you need to collect at this point. Now also A. C also replace the epsilon. Epsilon nothing but replace the epsilon. Epsilon nothing but null replacement. So we don't have any production now, any character there. Now if you replace the null replacement in place of capital C, because there are two productions are there, na, H comma epsilon, H already replaced and epsilon also replaced now. So now A also follows the capital B. Now what are the productions of capital B? You need to collect. Capital B productions are A. First you replace by the G. C is epsilon and replace B by G. Now in this way A also follows the G. A also follows the G. So G is a one another follow. G. The next, B also replace the derives the epsilon. So replace the null. What is the production? What is the production? S derives ABC. S derive ABC. This is our production. Now in case C also epsilon, then we don't have anything. Then entire production will become a, in case of C also epsilon, the production will be A, B epsilon, C also epsilon. All are epsilon. We don't have anything after the A. C, B epsilon, C epsilon. We don't have anything after A. Now what are the follows of A? A follows R will become, in case of anything we don't have any character after any grammar symbol, then their follows R will become a follows of grammar symbol, as like this rule. As like this rule. So now we got some follows from B and C, but whenever B and C are epsilon, A follows R will become also S follows. So then we can able to collect the dollar as a follow set of capital A. Then similarly find out the follows for capital B. So how many places capital B is there? In 2 places capital B is there. So you write the production in 4 places. A, C, B, R, C, small c, B, capital B, and next one is A, B, A. And here also there, first let us complete this part. According to this part, this is a one production, S derive ACB, there B is a last one, S derive ACB. In this, B is a last character, it's the least character. Least character nothing but we don't have anything. Then their follows R will become a follows of production variable. Okay, dollar will become a one character. Then here also, this is also production derived by the S only. That is also production derived by the S only. So that there also B is a last character. There also B is become a last character. C, B, B. Here also so B follows R will become a follows of dollar. Okay. Then next one is a B following small a. So first you need to collect the dollar. The next follow B is following the small a character, comma small a. In 2 places, in 3 places B follows are find it. The next one B also follows the C in A production. In A production, B also follows the C. Now whenever B follows the C, we need to replace the productions of C. Replace the productions. First one is a replace with the H. A replace B and C replace with the H, so that B follows the H. B follows the H. And but there is a one production epsilon derived by the capital C. So now replace the null. B replace null. We don't have anything. In case there is a least character is any grammar symbol, then their follows R will become a follows of their grammar variable, production variable. Now, so that B, what are the A follows? H, G, dollar. All are will comes under the follows of B set. All will comes under the follows of B set. So you collect them. Directly you collect them. H, G and dollar, all are will comes under the follow set of B. But already H repeated na, then it is repeating, so just you remove it. Okay, that's it. These are the follows of dollar also repeated na, dollar also repeated, remove it. Okay, these are the follows of B. These are the follows of B. Then what are the follows of C? In how many places C is there? 1, 2, 3 places C is there. In first place, C following B, C following B. So replace the B, B with their productions. In 3 places B is, C is there. 1, 2. Let us complete the first one, then second one, then third one. Now what is the first production? S derive ACB. ACB. Now in this case, C following B only. Now B should be replaced by the G comma epsilon. So first to replace the G, A derives the replacement the G. A, C, B replaced by the G, first production. So now C follows the G. As well, C can also derive the epsilon. Sorry, B. B can also replace the epsilon. So replace the null replacement. Then production will become a S derives A, C, replace B by null replacement, because we also B also replace the derive the epsilon production, replace the epsilon production, epsilon nothing but null replacement. So now after you replace the epsilon, we don't have any character after the capital C. Whenever you see such kind of production pattern, then we can say the follows of C will become a follows of dollar, who follows of capital A, okay, production variable. Now what are the follows of capital S? Dollar only, so you can collect here. Dollar also will comes under the follows of C. Then first one completed. This is all about the first C. Then second time C also repeated in some other production, that is S deriving C, B, capital B. Now in this case, C is following only one character, that is a B. C is following one character, that is B. So directly we can able to collect that point. B. The next C also there in A production. So what is the production? A derive B and C. Now in this production, after C we don't have any other characters. So their follows are will become a follows of production variable. Who are the follows of production variable? H, G, dollar. All should be comes under the follows of C set. You need to collect them. H, G, comma dollar. But their dollar is repeating already there, so remove it. G also already there, remove it. Now these are the follows of C. Okay. In the next video we'll see the next 9 and 10 examples.